So children, the video which I have uploaded, okay, before that video, actually I have explained you about the revenue concept. In this video, I will explain you behavior of cost in the long run. Okay, so behavior of cost in the long run. Okay, behavior of cost in the short run I have completed. Numerical problems I have done too. In the same way, you have to do the other questions also, and other numerical solutions I will send you as an attachment. Okay, so let me start with the behavior of cost in the long run. Okay, under behavior of cost in the long run, you have to study about two things. Okay, two things are long run average cost, and this is the first you have to study. Short form is LAC. Okay, and second you will study long run marginal cost. It's called LMC. Okay, only these two in your syllabus. We are studying behavior of cost in long run. Behavior of cost in long run we are studying. Two only we have to study, and only meaning is required. Nothing else is required in your syllabus. So, what is the meaning of average cost? You people have written per unit cost of production. Okay, only one change you will do in the meaning of long run average cost curve. Minimum possible per unit cost of production. So write down the meaning of long run average cost curve. All of you, what is? Right, minimum possible per unit cost of production. Minimum possible per unit cost of production is called long run average cost curve. Minimum possible per unit cost of production is called long run average cost curve. Full stop. Now write down the meaning of long run marginal cost curve. Right. Addition made to the total cost. Addition made to the total cost when an additional unit of output is produced is called long run marginal cost curve. It's called long run marginal cost curve. Full stop. Okay. Now, so this much only is in your syllabus in the behavior of cost in the long run. Now, today in my video, I have explained you people, I have started revenue concept. Okay, I have started revenue concept. The previous video which I have uploaded, in that I have explained you people the revenue concept. In the revenue concept, I explained you what is revenue and what are the types of revenue. That I have explained to you people. The meaning of revenue and the types of revenue. Okay, now let me continue with that. Okay, so this I have done. All right, children. So we have started revenue, and revenue is of three types. Total revenue, that is TR. Average revenue, that is AR. Marginal revenue, that is MR. Okay, formula I told you orally, so let me tell the formula. Meaning of all I have given. What is revenue? Receipt of the firm from the sale of its product in a given period of time is called revenue. What is total revenue? Total amount of income received by the firm from the selling of a given amount of product is called total revenue. Okay, what is the formula of TR? TR is equal to P into Q. P is price, Q is quantity. What is average revenue? What is the meaning of average revenue? Average revenue is the amount of revenue received from the sale of per unit of output is called average revenue. What is the formula of average revenue? Average revenue is equal to total revenue upon Q. And total revenue formula is what? P into Q. So we can write or AR is equal to P into Q upon Q. Can we write this? Yes, we can write this because the formula of TR is P into Q. This QQ will be cancelled. So, or we will get AR is equal to price. Is equal to price. Okay. So, average revenue is nothing but the price of one commodity produced by the producer. Is it clear? Okay. So this, and then we have done the marginal revenue. What is marginal revenue? Addition made to the total revenue when an additional unit of output is produced by the firm. It's called marginal revenue. Formula of marginal revenue is MR is equal to TR N minus TR N minus 1. MR is equal to delta TR upon delta Q. Is it clear? Okay. Just write down all of you. Now, I'm going to start with the last topic of the chapter. So, I have started your revenue concept. I have explained you the meaning of revenue concept. Okay. Now, the last topic of the chapter, we need to study the behavior of revenue under different market structure. Okay. Different market structure. If you talk about market, then there are two kinds of the market. First is perfectly competitive market. Perfectly competitive market. Second is imperfect market. Okay. Perfect market. Okay. Perfect market and imperfect market. Under perfectly competitive market or perfect market, you have only one market, which is called perfect competition. Okay. Which is called perfect competition. This is the type of the market under the first category, which is called perfect market or perfectly competitive market. Under imperfect market, you have two markets. First is monopoly market and second is monopolistic market. Okay, the one chapter which is left to complete in the syllabus is the market, and there we'll study in detail about these market. We'll study in detail what is market, what are the features of market, what is monopoly market, what are the features of monopoly market, what is monopolistic market, what are the features of monopoly. Here we don't need the features. Here you need to discuss that what is the behavior of revenue under perfect competitive market, under monopoly market, under monopolistic market, or under imperfectly competitive market. That we need to discuss. Okay, that is the last topic of the chapter. So today, let me first explain you what is perfect competition and what is imperfect competition. Is it clear to all of you? Now, perfect competition means the first try to understand the perfect competition. Under perfect competition, what do you mean by the perfect competition? Okay, under perfect competition, you know that one thing that you need to know, that there are large number of sellers. Large, numerous number. If you say infinite number, you can say this. You cannot count the number of the sellers. Similarly, there are large number of buyers. Okay, I'm talking about perfect competition. Okay, so what is the first identity of perfect competition, that there are large number of sellers and large number of buyers. Too many sellers, too many buyers. First thing. Second thing, each seller is selling a commodity which is exactly homogeneous in nature. Homogeneous in nature means the color, the taste, the quality, alright, the brand, everything is same. Color, design, even the raw material which is used, means everything will be identical to each other. Is it clear to all of you? That kind of the market is called perfect competition. Now, since every seller is producing the same kind, is selling the same kind of the commodity, so obviously there will be a too much competition among the sellers. Okay, too much competition. But one thing also you need to understand here, that under perfect competition, a producer or a firm or a seller cannot determine the firm. Other name of the producer is what? Firm. So here we use the keyword called firm. The firm cannot determine the price. Firm is not deciding what is the price. Means the producer will not decide what should be the price of the commodity. Industry is going to decide that what should be the price of the commodity. Is it clear? Firm is a producer and too many firms together forms an industry. Is it clear? So I told you the 3 facts about the perfect competition. First fact, under perfect competition, there are large number of buyers and large number of sellers. Number of sellers are large, but each seller is selling a commodity. What is the nature of that commodity? Homogeneous in nature. You know the meaning of homogeneous. Homogeneous means something which is exactly same, which is exactly identical to each other. It's called homogeneous. Means the taste, the color, the design, the packaging, the brand name, the raw material, is it clear? The everything, whatever is there in one commodity is similar in the other commodity which is sold by the other seller. Homogeneous. Third thing I told you, every firm under perfect competition cannot determine the price. They cannot make the price of their own. So they are not price maker of their own commodity. They are price taker of the commodity. They are price taker means because they cannot determine the price. Who determine the price under perfect competition? The industry, not the firm. That is the third fact you need to remember about the perfect competition. Under perfect, and this is the most important thing, that price, a firm under perfect competition is a price taker. A firm under perfect competition is a price taker means every firm under perfect competition is producing a commodity which is homogeneous in nature, but they are not deciding that what should be the price of the commodity. They are not the price maker, they are the price taker, and this price is given to them by the industry. Is it clear to all of you? So this you need to understand. Okay, so under perfect competition, under perfect competition, price is not decided by the firm. So we say one tag here under perfect competition. Like I said, the nature of the commodity under perfect competition is what? Homogeneous. Similarly, a firm is not a price maker. A firm is a price taker. So who is a firm under perfect competition about the price? A firm under perfect competition is a price taker because firm don't decide the price of their own product. Why they don't decide the price of their own product? Because they are they are selling a commodity which is homogeneous in nature and there is too much competition among each seller. That is why they don't decide the price of their own commodity. They take the price of the commodity which is given to them by the industry. Okay, so if a price is not determined the firm, if the price is given by the market, means what kind of the price will be followed under perfect competition? Uniform price. Price will not change. Whatever will be the number of inputs sold, the price will remain the same. Why price will remain the same under perfect competition? Because a firm under perfect competition is a price taker, is not a price maker. He cannot change the price. He has to follow the price which is given to him by the industry. Every firm under perfect competition. If you want to know the example, like you can take the retailers. All the retail shops are the example of what? Perfect competition. Most, whatever retail shops are there, like you say the ration shops are the, क्योंकि उन लोग क्या बेचते हैं, सभी retailers क्या बेचते हैं, they sell the rice, flour, sugar, right? Everyone sells the same thing. Maggi, right? Pasta, is it clear? Soap, detergent. So they are selling the same thing, everyone. So they are selling the commodity which is actually identical in nature. And what price they follow? The price which is already written in the packet. Is they are determining the price? No, they are not determining the price. They are following the price which is mentioned in the packet and selling. I hope you people have understood what is perfect competition. So perfect competition is the market under perfectly competitive market in which there are large number of sellers and large number of buyers. Each seller sells a commodity which is homogeneous in nature, means which is exactly identical in nature, and they don't determine the price of their commodity, means they are the price taker, they are not the price makers. That is why they follow the uniform price. They follow which price? Uniform price, means the same price. Whatever units they will sell, whatever number of commodity they will sell, the price will remain the same because they cannot determine the price. Price is determined by the industry. Okay, now let me explain you about imperfect market. Let me give you a brief idea about the market, then tomorrow I will continue, then you will be able to understand. Imperfect market. Imperfect market is monopoly market and monopolistic market. Now first understand what is monopoly market. Monopoly market is a market where there is a single seller. Only one seller exists and number of buyers. Is it clear? So a market where there is only one seller of a commodity. Is it clear? That's why it is called monopoly. He enjoys the monopoly because the commodity what he or she is selling is not being sold by any other seller. Is it clear? So under monopoly market, a commodity is sold which has no close substitute. No close substitute. जो commodity मोनोपोली मार्केट में मोनोपोली प्रोड्यूसर या सेलर बेच रहा है उसका कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मोनोपोली मार्केट? अ मार्केट वेयर देयर एग्जिस्ट ओनली वन सेलर हु इज सेलिंग अ कमोडिटी व्हिच हैज नो क्लोज substitute available in the market. Means the commodity which he is selling, no other one is selling that commodity. Now in today's time it's very difficult to get an example of monopoly. Maximum like you can take the like UP में अगर आपको electricity लेनी है तो आपको किससे लेनी है? State Electricity Board. So State Electricity Board is the only seller of electricity. Second, if you want to take the railway service, there is only railway service provided by the government. So government has the monopoly of providing what service? Railway service. Is it clear? If you want to take the example of private sector having monopoly, you not get. Only in public sector we can get the example of monopoly. I hope you people have understood. अब इसमें समझो. अब क्योंकि एक ही सेलर है तो क्या यहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म प्राइस होगी? No. Not possible at all. Under monopoly, a firm is a price maker. वो अपने commodity का price खुद बनाता है, खुद decide करता है. क्यों? क्योंकि he is a king of the market. He is selling a commodity which is not being sold by any other seller. So he is a king, he is a sole seller of the market. So he is a price maker. Who is a price maker? A seller or a firm under monopoly market is a price maker. And he follows one policy. Under monopoly, a firm follows one policy called price discrimination. What do you mean by price discrimination? Charging different price from different consumer for the same commodity. क्योंकि जो एक ही commodity वो like railway service, electricity are the example I said. अब क्योंकि वो single seller है, पर एक चीज आपको पता होनी चाहिए, इलास्टिसिटी. कोई कमोडिटी किसी के लिए बहुत जरूरी होता है तो वो उसके लिए क्या हो गया, इनइलास्टिक. बट कोई कमोडिटी किसी, वही सेम कमोडिटी किसी और के लिए जरूरी नहीं होगा तो वो उसके लिए क्या हो जाएगा, इलास्टिक. व्हाट इज इलास्टिक, व्हाट इज इनइलास्टिक, यू नो. The demand does not change is inelastic. The demand changes is elastic. When demand changes, when the commodity is not necessity. When demand does not changes, when the commodity is necessity. Is it clear? Now, a monopoly producer follows price discrimination, means he charges different price from different consumer for the same commodity. So that much. So what a monopoly producer is, price maker. Okay, and he changes the price. So here uniform price is not followed. Second one, monopolistic market. What is monopolistic market? यहाँ पे भी large number of sellers और buyers होता है, but not too many. Not too many. Number of buyers and sellers are large, but not extraordinarily large like perfect competition. Perfect competition with numerous X is too many, but not in the monopolistic market. The number of firm under monopolistic market is large, but not extraordinarily large. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Second thing, they are producing a product which are differentiated from each other. They are not close substitute, but they are differentiated to each other. मतलब उन लोग अपने पैकेजिंग में, अपने ब्रांड नेम में, अपने कलर में, अपने डिजाइनिंग में अलग होंगे, बट कमोडिटी वही होगी. सपोज कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट और the other one is which one? Pepsodent toothpaste. Colgate and Pepsodent. दोनों के ब्रांड अलग है, दोनों का टेस्ट अलग है, दोनों का कलर अलग है. ठीक है, अब दोनों सेम है but to some extent differentiated from each other. Is it clear to all of you? No close substitute नहीं है, यहाँ पे है no close sub, but यहाँ पे differentiated to each other. differentiated, एक दूसरे से अलग है. किसमें? अपने फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में. सपोज कार, 4-wheeler, Hyundai, Tata, Maruti are the different brand, and if you take the Hyundai car, the features will be different. If you take a Tata car, the features will be different. If you take a Maruti, the features means all the three brand, but the car is same, but features are somewhat differentiated from each other. That kind of the market is called so monopolistic में भी क्या होता है, इनकी prices same नहीं होती हैं. क्यों नहीं होती हैं? क्योंकि commodities are to some extent differentiated to each other. So one thing you need to understand, that under monopoly and under monopolistic competition, what is the common and similarity point? That both are price maker. इन लोग अपनी commodity इस इन दोनों market में जो firm है वो अपनी commodity की price खुद बनाते हैं. They are price maker. That's why they are kept under same category, which is called imperfect market. They are imperfect market, monopoly and monopolistic, because they are price maker, and this is kept under different market because all they are price taker. Is it clear now how to understand the behavior under these two market? That I am going to explain you tomorrow, and then this chapter will complete tomorrow. And tomorrow in the attachment I will send you the solutions of the numerical problems of page number 165 of the cost, and the numerical problem of revenue is not in your syllabus. Okay, so I have uploaded 2 videos, children, today. Please see both and please understand both. Okay, thank you, children.